Everybody keeps raving about this new brunch spot in New York City, in Queens to be exact, in the Ridgewood area. And honestly, I'm trying to figure out why, but I think it's simple. It's simplicity, it's comfort, and it's availability. It's not hard to get a reservation in here. The drinks are solid. They play between the line of too much and just enough. They also have a open kitchen, allows you to see everything. The menu isn't overwhelming. We're here during brunch hours and the prices are just right. Good for family, friends, even a nice little afternoon date. That's a steak salad. The steak in here is solid. Only $35 for this steak salad, and it was plentiful. You can share this with 2 people. Also got the French toast. Too much blueberries, but the French toast was made with love. I loved it. Everybody got the fries. If you have a favorite new brunch spot in New York City, please let me know. But Rolo's, they definitely get the job done. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's keep it going.